touch gloves. Okay, guards are up. You ready? Timekeeper ready. 2-minute rounds. Going up to 5. Ready? Go! Stop! Good job. Back to the spots. Any calls? Okay, judges. Copper point call. We have white, white, white. 1 point white. 1-0. Ready? Guards are up. Hands are in. Good. Go! Judges, copper point call. I see a body punch. We have 1, 2, 2-0. Ready? Go! Good job. Keep going. We'll take one stop. Hands and feet. Stay! Back to your spots, please. Judges, copper point call. I see 2 here. White, white, white. 2. 4-0. Ready? Make sure we're kicking above the belt. 4-0. Go! Above the belt. Stop. Spots. Ready? Go!
Come on, Mikey.
Come on, Mike. Get started, buddy.
Stop. Belting him up. Back in spots. Okay, try to use the homing. Okay, use your movement. 4-0. Go!
Come on, Mikey.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Good kick.
Judges, copper point call. I didn't see. We have white. No good. White, not enough. So 4-0. Ready?
What?
Go! Go!
It's okay, Mikey. Go on.
Hang in there, buddy.
Go!
Good job, buddy.
Back to your spots, lady. Judges, copper point call. I got a body punch here. 4-1. Go!
For 1, 2. There you go. Combo. Down straight, Mikey.
Stop that knee, don't take your
It's okay, Mikey.
Okay, judges, copper point call. I see 2 here, 2 there. That's 4-3. Is that correct? Yes, sir.
Come on. Come on, buddy.
Okay, score is 4-3, correct?
Come on, Mikey.
Come on, Mikey.
We're
going to start. You ready?
Come on, Mikey. Guard up. Go.
4-3. No! Move on, Mikey.
Come on, buddy. Get her. There you go.
Back to your spots. Judges, copper point call. I see a round kick here. Good. Bow to me. Bow to each other. Good fight, Mikey, and winner. Good work.
Good job, Mikey.